Hello everyone! In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can customize your collection page on your Shopify. Now, if you go to the product section on Shopify, you'll be able to find collections amongst all of the other options that you can choose. Now, if you go to collection, usually at least one thing is going to be created. And if you click on that one collection, and scroll all the way down, you'll be able to find this theme templates options. So I currently have 2 templates and each ones will have different view. And I'm going to show you how you can create your own templates on Shopify. Now, first things first, you want to go to your online store and then you're going to want to customize your theme. On this theme customizations, you will see there are a bunch of things that you can edit, such as the pages details. So currently we are at the home page and we're going to want to go into our collection page. So if you click on this top part of your screen, you'll be able to find a selection of pages that you can edit, and we're going to go to this collection page right here. So you can see that now I have a default collections template as well as another one that I've created, and now we're going to create another one and name it as test template. All right, and then you can base that templates on default collection, or later on, if you would like to create another template based on this template that you created, you can also choose it. So I'm just going to use default for now and then go ahead and click create template. Now, once our template is created, you can see that we have another options under the collections menu, which is the test template, and we can start editing this page right here. So this page contains of header as well as a template and a footer. So let's say that I want to add some more things beside this collections banner as well as the product grid. Let's say that I would like to add one more things under the header. Maybe I want to add an announcement bar specifically for this collections template. And then let's say I want to change the scheme color. Let's say to this one's right here. Then I'm going to go back and change this text, for example, new arrival soon. And you can add a link if you want, so that if your customer clicks on it, it's going to bring them to another page. But I'm just going to leave it as blank. And you can even add some more announcement bar, like 50% off every Friday. Then go back and you can add as much as you want, and then you can also add some more things in the sections right here, like maybe you want to add some banner on your collections page. So let's say I'm going to add this product image right here as my banner on this specific collection. And then I'm just going to edit this so that it's going to adapt to the image. Then go back and I'm going to delete all of the other elements that comes with it because I'm not going to need it. I just want to have the image banner as itself, and I can also bring it on top of the banner if I want to. So let's say I want the templates to have header and then announcement bar, image banner, and then we got the collections banner down here. And you can add more sections if you want. For example, if you would like to maybe add some slideshow for the specific collections, you can do that and add your slideshows right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and add my image. I'm going to delete this text in order to remove all of the other elements. Again, I just want to have the pictures in the middle, so I'm going to go ahead and select my first image. Alright, so let's say that I created some pictures as well as some heading. I'm just going to use the exact same wordings for all of the other images. So I'm going to add one more image. Alright, so now I added all of my pictures and it looks some things like this. And again, I can also just change where I want the pictures to be. So let's say that I want these pictures to be on top of my collections banner. I can just simply drag it, or if I want it to be below the collections banner, again, I just have to drag this bars right here, but I think I'm just going to go ahead and put it right before the footer, so it looks something like this. And then once you're done with the customization, you can always go ahead and click on save. And now I'm going to show you the difference between this template as well as the default template. So here we're still on the test template page, and if I go to the default collection, the only thing that will show is just the header as well as the announcement bar, and then this product collections grid right here. They don't have any other banner that I just had earlier, but if I go back into the test templates, I'll be able to take a look at the page that I just created. Now you can use this template when you're trying to create a new collection. Now when you're trying to create a new collection, you have the options to create your collection in a template that you just created. So I'm just going to change the theme template as test template, and for the product, let's say that I want to add my hoodie here, so I'm going to go ahead and search for a hoodie and go ahead and add it here. And then let's say I want to title this as hoodie collection, then save it. And now my hoodie collection is going to look different than just the regular one. So let's try and take a look at it on the live view. Alright, so now that I got my store, I'm going to go to the collection sections, and then here is the hoodie collection that I just created. And as you can see, the pages that we just edited is now here. It doesn't look just like how the default one comes on with just the header and then the product grid and the footer, but it has the banner that I've just added earlier. Now, if you somehow cannot find the collection options on your navigation bar on top of your screen like this, you can always edit your navigation bar by going to your online store and then go to navigation, and here you can edit your footer menu, which I name as Noah's More, or your main menu. So go ahead and click on your main menu, and you can see that I already have my collections added, but you can always add menu items, name it, and then search for the link, and in our case it's going to be collection. And once you're done, it's going to appear right here. And that's basically it. That is how you can customize your collection page on Shopify. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.